Welcome to Automasters. Today we're diving into the 2025 Mazda 3, a compact car that combines sleek design, advanced technology, and dynamic performance, making it a standout in its class. The 2025 Mazda 3 is powered by a 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G inline-4 engine, delivering 186 horsepower and 186 lp-ft of torque. For those seeking more excitement, a turbocharged version is available, pushing out 250 horsepower and 320 lp-ft of torque when using premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, offering a smooth and responsive driving experience. At the front, the Mazda 3 boasts a bold grille with a chrome surround that seamlessly integrates with the sleek LED headlights, giving the car a refined and aggressive look. The headlights feature adaptive lighting technology, ensuring optimal visibility in various driving conditions. The front bumper is sculpted to enhance aerodynamics and includes integrated fog lights that add to its sporty appearance. From the side, the Mazda 3's flowing lines and sculpted bodywork convey a sense of motion even when standing still. The 18-inch alloy wheels, with their unique design, complement the car's athletic stance. The side glass is framed by a subtle chrome trim, adding a touch of elegance to the sporty profile. The overall proportions of the Mazda 3 are balanced, giving it a dynamic yet refined look. At the rear, the Mazda 3 features sleek LED taillights that extend into the sides, enhancing the car's width and stance. The rear bumper is cleanly designed with subtle contours that enhance its sporty character. The dual exhaust outlets hint at the car's performance capabilities. The door handles are body-colored, blending seamlessly with the exterior and providing a cohesive design that emphasizes the Mazda 3's sleek and modern aesthetic. Step inside the 2025 Mazda 3 and you're greeted with a driver-facet cockpit that combines elegance with functionality. The dashboard is clean and minimalist, featuring a central 8.8-inch LCD display that controls the infotainment system, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is operated via a rotary controller, ensuring drivers can keep their focus on the road. The side doors are adorned with soft-touch materials and leather accents, creating a premium feel. The integrated storage compartments are practical, providing ample space for personal items. The gear selector is ergonomically positioned on the center console, offering smooth and precise gear changes. The start button is conveniently located next to the gear selector, adding to the car's modern and intuitive design. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is equipped with controls for audio, cruise control, and the driver's display, ensuring convenience at your fingertips. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, with available heating and ventilation options for enhanced comfort. The rear seats offer generous legroom and headroom, accommodating passengers with ease. A foldable armrest with integrated cup holders adds to the convenience for rear passengers. For added practicality, the Mazda 3 features a fold-down table between the rear seats, perfect for holding drinks or gadgets. The cargo space is versatile, with a 60/40 split-folding rear seatback that expands the trunk's capacity, making it suitable for various storage needs. The 2,200 Mazda 3 starts at an attractive price of $22,000, offering excellent value for a car that blends style, performance, and technology. The turbocharged variants and higher trims can reach up to $32,000, catering to those who seek more luxury and performance. The 2025 Mazda 3 delivers a perfect balance of style, performance, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for those who want more from their daily drive. Enjoyed this review? Subscribe to Automasters, hit the bell icon, and share your thoughts on the 2025 Mazda 3 in the comments.